Dear students, here we are going to learn example of combinational circuits with multiplexer. What is multiplexer? Considering an integer m which has considered by the following relation m equal to 2 raised to n, where m and n are both integers, a m to 1 multiplexer. Here we have example, a block diagram of 4 to 1 multiplexer, in which we can say I0, I1, I2, I3 are inputs, S0 and S1 are control inputs, G input, that is for enable multiplexer, and Y output. Here we have single output line, and compared to that multiple input lines, that's why it is called selector from multiple input, that is called multiplexer. Here we have 2 raised to n input. N is a number of selection lines. It means 2 raised to 2. So we have different 4 inputs, I0, I1, I2, I3. So we can say here we have 4 to 1 multiplexer as M. It means 4 to 1, 2 to 1, 16 to 1, all are types of multiplexers. M, that is number of inputs, I0, I1, I2, which we have seen over here. These are inputs. One output, that is Y. Here we can see Y output, and controls inputs, that is S0, S1 to Sn minus 1, and one enable input, such that Y may be equal to one of the inputs depending upon the control selection inputs. Y whatever select by multiplexer, that is one of from I0 to I3, that is from input. With help of control inputs, we are going to select input which is directly get at the output side. Selection line S0, S1, it can be, if we have 2 to 1 multiplexer, then we have one selection line, so 2 raised to 1, so possible input are only 2, I0 and I1. Here we have two selection lines, 2 raised to 2, so 4 inputs, I0, I1, I2, I3. If we have 3 selection lines, S0, S1, S2, then 2 raised to 3, possible inputs are I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7, and output line as it is single. Enable input, that is for enabling the multiplexer. Now characteristic table of multiplexer, or we can say truth table of multiplexer. For selection line S0, S1, whenever S0, S1 equal to 0, 0, whenever S0, S1 equal to 0, 0, we are going to select first line, that is I0. Whenever it is 0, 1, so value equal to input here 0 and 0, 1, so we are going to select one input. Whenever input equal to 1, 0, S0 equal to 1, S1 equal to 0, at that time we are going to select I2. Whenever both are 1, both are high, 1, 1, at that time we are selecting I3. Here we have Boolean expression, that is according to selection lines 0, 0. So here dash dash, S1 dash, S0 dash, and I0 plus G, always G is 1, dot G, I1, it is 0, so S0 and S1 dash, plus I2, S1 and S0 dash, I3, S1, S0. Now we have pin diagram of multiplexer. It is 16 to 1 multiplexer. We have example also here, that is F equal to A, B, C, D, in which 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, and D equal to 4, 6, 15, 16 cross 1, where 4 selection line are here. Here we can say 4, 16 to 1 multiplexer, 0, 1, 2 and 3, where 4, 6, 4, 6 and 15 may be 0 or 1. We can consider it as a 0 or as 1. Now 4 to 1 multiplexer, three variable logic function. We try to use it 4 to 1 mux rather than 8 to 1 mux. It is I0, I1, I2, I3, and S0, S1 are selection line, Y is output line. Function of 3 here, X, Y, and Z. We can design here with also 4 to 1 multiplexer. So in canonical form, we can consider X dash Y dash Z for 1, that is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, X dash Y dash Z plus X dash Y Z dash, it is 0, 1, 0 for this one. Next, that is 4, it is 1, 0, 0, and last one, that is 7, 1, 1, 1. One possible solution is that assume that X equal to S1 and Y equal to S0. If F is to be obtained from output of a 4 to 1 mux, then F will be S1 dash S0 dash I0 plus S1 dash S0 I1 plus S1 S0 dash I2 plus S1 S0 I3. So it is first that is assigned to I1, I0, I1, I2, and I3. From 1 and 2, I0 equal to I3 equal to Z, I1 equal to I2 equal to Z dash. So according to that, we can design our circuit. So I0 and I3 equal to Z. So Z input is here, and I0 and I3, that is directly input over here. And these two are converted to Z. It means I1 and I2 equal to Z dash. So we are going to put here NOT gate. So it is going to convert 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Selection line as it is, and F it is our output line. So it is a simple implementation. Rather than 8 to 1 multiplexer, we are going to use here 4 to 1 multiplexer, designing canonical form and designing circuit. Another possible solution, assume that Z equal to S1 and X equal to S0. If F is to be obtained from output of 4 to 1 mux, then we can say S0 I0 S0 dash I0 S1 plus S0 dash I1 S0. It is inverted S0 I2 S1 dash S0 plus S0 I3 S1. So in which we can consider uh, I0 equal to Y dash equal to I2. Same way I1 equal to Y equal to I3. So we can join over here, directly input Y equal to I1 and I3. I1 and I3 equal to Y, where we are giving I1 from here, I3 from here. That is called Y input. Here we are going to design jumping from this line. So I1 and I3 equal to Y, and I0, I2 equal to Y dash. So we are providing here one inverter, and it is input as I0 and I2. So F it is your output. So it is another possible solution for design 4 to 1 mux. The diagram below show that the relation between a multiplexer and a demultiplexer, 4 to 1 and 1 to 4, I0, I1, I2, I3, and S0 and S1 are selection lines. It is called multiplexer 4 to 1, and demux, that is single input and multiple output, which have output equal to Y0, Y1, Y2, and Y4, where also selection line S0, S1. Demux, that is opposite work of multiplexer, where single input is there and output lines are multiple. It is totally opposite work of multiplexer. Demultiplexer, or you can say decoder, 1 to m demux with active high output has one input, I, also called the enable input. Here we can say I, that is enable input, m active high outputs, that is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y4, all are active high output, and S0 and S1, that is called control inputs. S0, S1 is called control input. Now characteristic table, or we can say active high outputs with demux, that is S0, S1, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Whenever it is 0, we are going to select y0. Whenever it is 0 1, we are going to select 1, that is y1. Remaining all are 0 because it is active high. Only once y0 is active high, it is 1, remaining all are 0. y1 is selected as a 1, then y0, y2, y4 are 0. y2 is selected as a 1, then y0, y1, y4 are 0. y4 is selected as a 1, then y0, y1, y2 are 0. So whenever 1 1, it is selecting y3, input equal to 0, and remaining all are 0. 1 to 4 demux active low, in which it is working on whenever value equal to low, and whenever 0 0, here we are passing, it is active, it is 0, so remaining all are 1 because it is active low. 0 1, it is equal to high, remaining all are 1, that is called active low outputs. In active high, remaining all are 0, in active low, remaining all are 1. IC is used to decoder. I is enable input, block diagram of decoder, 2 to 4 decoder, enable input, S0, S1. Decoder has table 2 and 3. When enable is 0, active low and active high. When enable is active high, remaining lines are 0, active low, remaining line are 1. Thank you.